Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? So during this lockdown, I have propagated some of these plants, indoor plants, and after propagating them, I have made arrangement of these planters. Now see, when resources are not available properly, so accordingly I have managed the soil of these plants, and that I wanted to share with you all. So I made this video. So this is a syngonium, and here it is a palm plant. This is also a palm plant. These were my old planters only. I have used them. So for the syngonium I have used just coco peat, and for this palm plant, this is also a palm plant which is planted in this wooden planter. In this for this palm plant I have used it's a mixture of coco peat and the perlite. Okay, see, now when the resources are not available, we have to adjust with it. So accordingly I have done some changes in the soil. So let's see how I have done so. This is a coco coir basket. Adding just a coco peat to it. Now the basket is full. These are 6 to 7 golden money plant propagated stems I am planting in it. Reason of taking 6 to 7 plants is when they will grow together, it will look bushy and I will get 6 to 7 trailing vines in it, in the hanging basket, and it is going to look very beautiful. This is a 5-inch ceramic pot. Drainage hole is covered by net and the stone. Now I am adding a coco peat to it. These are rooted syngoniums. Syngonium and money plant can be planted just in a coco peat. This is a wooden planter. Here I am making a soil for the palm plant, so I have taken 3 parts of a coco peat and 1 part of a perlite. As the palm plant needs a aeration around its roots, so I have added a perlite in it. This this planter is having the hole, so that I am again covering with the net. The planter is 3-inch deep inside. When you are planting the palm plant, don't cover the roots fully by the soil. Little part of the roots should remain on the top of the soil, like this. This is a 2-inch clay pot with 2 drainage holes covered with the net and the stones. Adding coco peat and perlite mixture to it. Now planting palm plant. This is a palm plant, or you can say Neon Libella palm or parlor palm. Now this is a syngonium plant. Adding stones for the support. Placing a heart. placing these small gravels to create the effect of a walkway in front of the house. This is a wooden fence, and these small things creating the effect of a village house. Isn't this beautiful? This is a 3-inch coir pot filled with the coco peat. Now planting Syngonium Vinlandia into it. Make a hole. Just place the plant, cover the root, and it's done. Make a hole. Place the plant, cover the roots, and it's done. This is a coconut shell cleaned from inside. Naturally, you will get a hole to it. I am covering that hole by the pebble. Adding coco peat to it. This is a variety of pink Syngonium. And this is a marble money plant. See, this new baby leaf is coming. Below the coir pots, I have placed the coconut shell to collect the excess water. Now when you are selecting the plant for planting in the soil, select this kind of a rooted stem with the new 3 leaves. Now see, this one is the old leaf. After getting roots, it has produced these 3 new leaves. So you should select such a kind of a stem for plantation in the soil. Now see, this one is the stem, this is a stem, this is the old leaf, and there is only root. This is not sufficient, this much growth is not sufficient to get planted in the soil. So always select this kind of a stem where there is new development of the leaves. And when you will cover the roots with the soil, cover only the roots, and this part should not get covered. Cover only the roots of the plant. Ceramic pot decorated with the pebbles, colorful pebbles with the fairy. Coconut shell planters hang like this. This is a pink Syngonium. This is a marble money plant. To make this holder, plant holder, just I have taken these 3 strings. Simply 3 strings. Take 3 strings. Make a knot over here. Just make a knot here like this and place your planter. But it is for the lightweight planters only. And this way it is hang to the curtain rod. Now about caring of these planters. As these plants were in water for propagation, there were water around the roots. and now they are shifted to the soil. So now it is compulsory to maintain the soil moist. So check every day the soil's moisture level by touching the soil. Don't let the soil get dry out. Point number 2. As there is no nutrient element is mixed in the soil, so I will keep them near a bright window so that they will get natural bright light to make their food, and I will be giving them the liquid fertilizer after every 15 days. Point number 3. Neandibella palm plant will be kept away from the window, preferably under artificial light. So on this note, Dipali is signing off. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned to my channel to see my more and more plant work. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.